we are taking you out to Baltimore, Maryland, included in winter weather advisories throughout the day on Tuesday for 1 to 2 inches of snowfall, but visibility for the DMV that could drop as low as half a mile. So driving conditions are going to be less than favorable for that one city across the Northeast, but anywhere that extends from, well, portions of West Virginia all the way up to Massachusetts and New Hampshire and southern New England are under winter weather alerts. The hazards are going to be most impactful for those highlighted in pink with winter storm warnings in effect. It includes State College, Allentown, New York City, and Long Island, as well as all of Connecticut, Rhode Island, and eastern Massachusetts. As we get into some of these forecasted snowfall totals, you can see where our in-house model is projecting the heaviest amounts of snowfall, and into these shades of purple, over 6 inches of snowfall to be expected. In through the tri-state area, especially up through New York City, is where we are expecting moderate impacts from the heavy snowfall, especially those rates of snow could come down as quickly as 1 to 2 inches per hour, and that's why totals are expected to be pretty heavy because it's a fast system that moves on through. But northern Jersey, up and through Connecticut, in through Rhode Island, and out through Long Island, major impacts to be expected. Overnight, this is going to be mostly rainfall until just before daybreak. Around 5 o'clock-ish in the morning is when models are switching that rainfall to snow. And you can see the steep contrast between the heavy wet snowfall and the rainfall that's expected to come through as we get in through your Tuesday morning. Now, this model has the snow out of New York City as early as the afternoon. Earlier models had it moving through much slower, and that's why when we look at some of our forecasted snowfall totals, instead of a foot that we were seeing earlier, it looks like we're zoning in at about 6+ inches of snow for the NYC area. Philadelphia, upwards of 2 to 3 inches of snow for you. So for New York City, the most likely snowfall totals will be 6 to 8 inches. If we go to the higher extent of forecast models, we could see up to 13 inches, and the lower extent, 4 inches would be the least amount that we would see. Meanwhile, Philadelphia, the official forecast is 2 to 4 inches of snowfall for you. This system is done by late Tuesday, and then we'll have plenty of dry time for Wednesday and Thursday if you're worried about your Valentine's Day activities if you're heading out and about. It should be nice and clear as we get into Wednesday through Thursday. Up through Boston, another big city, Boston and Providence, here's where we could see more of that forecast change for you. You're a little bit farther away from the low. We're expecting that rain to transition to a rain-snow mix right around sunrise into Tuesday morning, and then that heavy snowfall will happen for most of the day. As we take a look at that forecast timing, rainfall first, 5-6, we start to see that snowfall move its way on through, and then this system wraps up by late Tuesday afternoon. We'll take a quick peek at some of these forecasted totals. Providence could see upwards of 6 to 8 inches of snow. Let's head to Hyden, Kentucky.